Hey guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. Well, all I do is put my seeds and my plants in my planters and they grow my food for me. I never ever have to worry about food again in my life. Food is not an issue. It's all around me. The problem is that when I come out to eat, I have so much. I don't know what to choose. I have peas, I have lettuce, different types of lettuce. I got over 4 different types of lettuce. And it's amazing. And they're growing. Buttercrunch lettuce, red lettuce, romaine lettuce, red tall lettuce. And they're just doing beautifully in my torpedo pots. See, these are torpedo pots. All I do is walk up to these planters and I put my seeds in the planter and I eat off of it. Guess what? You see the planter right here? It was huge. I ate off of it and it grew back. These planters, you never water, you never feed. And it grows your food back over and over and over again. Over and over and over again. Torpedo pot is a wonder of the world. I have so much food and a lot of you don't have it. And you need to get food. Get a torpedo pot. These planters are designed to last you and your family for many, many years. How do I know? Well, my torpedo pots have lasted me for many, 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 many years. And they grow my food over and over and over and over and over again. And they do a good job of it. They do a very good job. Like my strawberries in the middle. Yeah, one planter will normally generate about 100 strawberries. The lettuce themselves, these are torpedo pots, guys. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in those planters and they grow your food for you. So I have my own food supply in the back of my house, which I can rely and eat from any time that I want. Isn't that beautiful? All I do is walk up and put my seeds and my plants in that planter, turn that knob, and my food turns out beautiful. Isn't it beautiful? Do you see the defects in this? Dude, this is perfect food. In every sense of the way, this is perfect food. Amazingly perfect food. And so that's what torpedo pot does. It grows perfect food. These are my strawberries. And they're coming on. And like I said, I normally do about 100. So I don't know what's in here right now. But let's do a short count. You ready? Okay. So I will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So you got about 30 on them right now, and they're still growing. So we split them up, and we put them in different planters, and now each one is doing it. That's doing 30 just the beginning. And justify that split, because now they have more room to do what they want to do. And I love that. And so, as you see, my strawberries are growing, guys. Guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in the planter, and it grows your food for you. You never have to grow your food again. It does all of the guesswork out of growing. Boy, isn't that beautiful? Man, that's beautiful. I can't wait to eat that. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.